Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bolaji Motai. Glad to have you here. I want to today we are going to create a website, and it's going to be for a data company a company that does sale of airtime. So here is the prototype of the website. Before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and please support me by doing so now. And also, if you have not turned on the notification button, please do that so that you get notified when I post new set of videos on YouTube. And don't forget to like this video, and I'll be so glad to see you get to the end of this video. Please follow along with me in creating this website. It promises to be interesting and you get to learn a lot. So here's the prototype of this of this website. This is the logo, and here's the navigation bar. So we are going to design the home page right now, and after which we would move to the other pages. But for this particular video, let's start with the home page. Okay, so let's move straight to the video and let's get started. So open your Visual Studio Code if you don't have it yet, and once you are done, click on File in order to create new file, and then you can write either HTML file or CSS file depending on the type of file you want to create. Also, you can also go through this side clicking on new file, so it will help you. For instance, index.html we create but this file already exists. Alright, so just click on this to create HTML file and CSS file. So if you want to, so we're going to start by initiating HTML boilerplate by clicking on shift and exclamation mark, and that will bring up the boilerplate. Right now on my Visual Studio Code, I have an extension called tab9 that is preventing the boilerplate from coming up because it's not in support of another extension that does the suggestion. So I'm going to paste the boilerplate code, which I have somewhere before. So this is how it looks like normally, and then the completion, it normally comes with body tag and the closing tag for HTML file. Okay, so that is how it looks. So let's get started. So let me change the title to data log. So that will be the name of our file. Okay, so and then we are going to connect our CSS file. How do we connect that? So let's get link your CSS file, and then style sheets. Okay, so the source of the file is going to be the style.css. Okay, and that's the name of our file. All right. Okay, so the first thing to do, we have to have a navigation bar. Okay. In the body is where we will have every content of the website. Okay, so the first one is a nav, and in it is going to have a list of items like another and that comes with li list. The first one is what? Uh, okay, sorry, home. Before then, we have the logo. So let me copy this home. The logo with the source. For now, I'll just use a place value, and then we'll complete that later. Logo. Okay. Alright, so let me replicate this. We have to create one. So instead of typing and typing, I have home, about us, contact us, and search. So about rather, contact us, then search. So this is the front end part of our website, which we are trying to um, create right now. Okay. So after the nav bar, the next section we have some what's it called? Some div, or let's say section. Think how many are there? So this is a particular division, or let's say section. This is another one. This is another one. So 1, 2, 3. So we have to create 3 of them. New. The aim is to create something like that, and another div. Okay. 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 So this is how it's going to look. This div will be inside of this div, and this div will be inside of this division. Okay, so are we good to go? So in this division we have another. So let me use the class of mother class of mother div. Or class of container. Okay, but container with an ID of the mother. Okay, then this one again has class of container. With an ID of daughter. Next one is class of container with an ID of, let's say, daughter, mother, sister. funny, you can name your class any how you want it. It doesn't have to be the way. Okay, so the first in this div, um let's click on, so let's create this particular one here. This one. Okay, so it has an H1 because it's very important and it's eye-catching. Browse on this. Then next is a paragraph. What's the paragraph thing? Leveraging the large. Can I copy it? Let me see. Let's see something like, oops, I can't copy. I can't copy. Okay, so let's write it down. Leveraging the what's the leveraging the large wireless capacity. The large wireless capacity um available. Large wireless capacity available with Wi-Fi to offer disruptive customer friendly pricing for unlimited internet service. Okay, so it can be anything actually. We are just trying to copy what they are doing. So next one in this div again is a container. Let's try to create that prototype. That's a button. Button says learn more. What does button characteristics? Type of button. Is it submit, or let's see. Type of button is okay. Let's see. It's not used to submit a form, so just button. Class is also button. Okay, for now let's save our file. Then let's open this file and see how it looks like in the browser. Okay, so this is how it looks like for now. So this is more like a house that has not been painted, just like laying foundation and the structure without being painted and all that stuff. Okay, so let's move on. We are done with this segment. Next segment is okay. The next segment is this particular one. Okay, so in the next segment we have another div again that has paragraph. So here is a div, or let's say, let me use section. There's a section that has paragraph in it, and the same thing this way.